Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. So make sure you follow this video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we will need just to access to our YouTube website and search for our settings so we can be able to add or to change our appearance to the dark mode. So as you can see here, we can find some several settings by just going here in the navigation bar and we can see this settings tab. So basically here we can find the general settings of our application from the account and YouTube channel, etc. Here we can see the connected app, advanced settings, and other things like notification, account, playback, and performance. And of course, there are several other settings. By clicking here on your profile picture, they will appear. So if we go here and see the profile picture, we will find these additional settings. From switch account, you can sign out from this account to another one, etc. etc. And of course, what we look for is the appearance settings on our YouTube platform. So we go to appearance and here you can see use this device system means like if your system device has the light mode, it will use the light, and if it has the dark mode, it will use the dark. Means it will adapt to the device system or theme. And here we can just click on dark mode and we can have our YouTube that have the dark mode. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.